Welcome to City of Ipswich. In this vibrant and growing area, the pace of life is dynamic and the property market is buzzing with opportunity. Whether you are a first-time buyer or an experienced investor, Ipswich offers a welcoming environment with a youthful median age of 32, over 72,000 dwellings housing nearly 230,000 residents, and a robust income growth from around $1,409 in 2016 to over $2,146 in 2023, with a strong socio-economic standing and about 89% of properties being houses. Investors here are met with a market that has experienced consistent capital growth and a healthy rental demand. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest insights that will empower your next property decision. In City of Ipswich, the rental market is showing strong health. Monthly rent figures hover around $570, with yields recently trending near 5.9%, an encouraging sign for cash flow investors. Vacancy rates remain low at roughly 3.4%, indicating a stable demand and a solid environment for rental income growth. These figures tell the story of a market where investors can expect steady returns, providing the foundation for both immediate cash flow and long-term property appreciation. The property sale market here is equally impressive. Properties are selling quickly, often averaging less than 20 days on market, which signals strong buyer interest. The supply is tight as days of supply sit around 55 days and discounting levels are modest. This is a seller's market where asking prices and sold prices are closing in, with recent sold price movements showing a consistent upward trend. In simple terms, if you're buying in Ipswich, you can count on a competitive yet robust market with rising values and swift transactions. The City of Ipswich is not resting on its laurels. There are several major projects in the pipeline that are reinforcing the economic fundamentals of the area. For example, the high-profile projects include Incitec Pivot's ammonia plant with an investment of $220 million, Orica's ammonium nitrate plant at a $100 million investment, and Lion's Ipswich brewery expansion at $30 million. These developments are not only attracting marquee companies, but are also creating new job opportunities, spurring local spending and enhancing the overall demand for property in the region. Investment security is further strengthened by a measured level of new home construction. This controlled pace of new builds ensures that existing properties maintain their value, and it supports the upward price momentum that investors have come to expect here. Lower construction percentages help safeguard your investment from sudden surges in market inventory. Locations. Location is everything in property investment, and Ipswich excels in this regard. The area benefits from excellent access to key public utilities and transport links. You have rapid access to a local train station in Ebenezer, multiple supermarkets like Woolworths and Coles, shopping centres such as Bunnings, and not least, major airports including Brisbane Archerfield and Brisbane Airport. Schools, hospitals and universities are also well represented, making the neighbourhood a magnet for families and professionals alike. When it comes to choosing the best suburbs in Ipswich, there is a wealth of data to guide you. The overall sale gradient in the area stands strong at approximately 1.13, and suburbs such as Ipswich proper, Booville and Bundamba are emerging as top performers based on consistent sold price trends and strong local amenities. These suburbs benefit from ongoing infrastructure upgrades and a high level of community services, making them attractive for both owner-occupiers and investors. The careful balance of utility, transport and lifestyle amenities across these suburbs supports future capital growth and rental demand. The employment landscape in City of Ipswich drives much of its investment appeal. The area boasts a diversified economic base with dominant sectors including healthcare and social assistance 14%, manufacturing 12%, retail trade 11% and education and training 11%. Average incomes have shown a marked upward trend over recent years, affirming that residents have the spending power needed to sustain a vibrant market. With average commute times of just over 21 minutes, accessibility is excellent, which further supports the low vacancy rates and high rental yields observed in the region. Looking ahead, City of Ipswich is set for exciting growth. This growth fuels increased property demand, enhances rental occupancy rates, and ultimately supports sustainable capital gains.